Hey everyone! Today, we are reviewing Maryruth Organics Liquid Chlorophyll Drops and really diving into whether they are worth the hype or just another over-marketed supplement. We tested this product ourselves, using it consistently to see if it actually delivers the benefits it promises. Chlorophyll has been marketed as a detoxifying agent that helps with energy, digestion, and even clearer skin. But we wanted to see if any of that is true. The drops are easy to mix into water, and the taste is mild, slightly earthy but not overpowering. Pros first. It is simple to use daily. The taste is tolerable compared to other liquid supplements, and we did notice an improvement in digestion and a subtle boost in energy. It also helped us stay hydrated because we were more motivated to drink water with it mixed in. Now for the cons. The price point is higher than expected for such a simple formula. Scientific support is still limited on whether chlorophyll alone can deliver all these benefits, and not everyone will notice a visible difference. In our case, skin clarity didn't change dramatically, and results took weeks to even notice. Overall, Maryruth Organics Liquid Chlorophyll Drops are a decent supplement if you want to experience with natural energy and digestion support, but they are not a miracle product. If you're expecting a complete transformation, you might feel underwhelmed. We would recommend trying it if you are curious, but don't expect it to replace a balanced lifestyle. This has been How to Literally Keep Things Smart and Simple and Scam-Free.